Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Bitewise Tech, your go-to channel for all things tech, social media, and beyond. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for regular updates. Today, we're diving into one of the fundamental concepts of cybersecurity, the CIA Triad. So, what is the CIA Triad? Let's find out. So, what exactly is the CIA Triad? It's a model that represents the three key principles of cybersecurity. These principles are confidentiality, integrity, and availability, CIA of cybersecurity. Now, let's break it down. Let's start with the C in the CIA Triad, which stands for confidentiality. Imagine you're sending a message to your friend through a messaging app. You wouldn't want anyone else reading that message, right? That's where confidentiality comes in. It ensures that sensitive information is accessible only to those who are authorized to see it. In cybersecurity terms, this means using encryption, strong passwords, and multi-factor authentication to keep prying eyes away from sensitive data. Think of it like a digital lockbox for your information. If confidentiality is breached, unauthorized people might steal or view private data, leading to data leaks, breaches, and other serious problems. Moving on to the I, which stands for integrity. Now, let's say your friend finally gets your message, but wait, it's been tampered with. Instead of saying let's meet at 5 p.m., it says let's meet at 10 p.m. Not good, right? In cybersecurity, integrity ensures that the data remains accurate and unaltered during transmission or storage. If the data is changed, even slightly, without authorization, the integrity has been compromised. We use checksums, hashing algorithms, and digital signatures to maintain data integrity, ensuring that what you send is exactly what the receiver gets. It's like a digital signature that guarantees, yes, this is the original message. Finally, we have the A, which stands for availability. This one's pretty straightforward. What good is your data if you or the authorized users can't access it when needed? Availability ensures that information and resources are accessible whenever authorized users need them without unnecessary delays. This means cybersecurity measures must also focus on uptime, redundancy, backups, and defense against attacks like distributed denial of service, DDoS, which aim to take systems offline. It's all about ensuring that the information and services you need are always there when you want them. Now, here's the interesting part: balancing the CIA Triad is a bit of an art form. You can't over-prioritize one aspect without affecting the others. For instance, if you make data too secure, confidentiality, you might restrict access, impacting availability. On the other hand, if you make everything available without control, you might compromise both confidentiality and integrity. So, cybersecurity professionals have to carefully design systems that keep all three principles in harmony, protecting the data while ensuring it's accessible and accurate.
So there you have it, the CIA Triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability, the pillars of cybersecurity. It's a simple concept, but absolutely vital to protecting our digital world. If you found this explanation helpful, give us a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if there are other cybersecurity topics you'd like to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe to the Bitewise Tech for more updates and tips on all things tech. Until next time, stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.